forecast.
Well, happy Independence Day. There is the view from Carter Mountain here this evening, and it's been a nice, very nice summer day. And for the holiday, temperatures again seasonable. We had low humidity, and certainly it's going to be a great evening for the area fireworks displays. Let's take a nice shot here from Jim Carpenter. Happy Independence Day. Nice little setting there. Let's take a look at our numbers. Made it up to 89 this afternoon. Currently 87. Humidity is still low, measured by the dew point. Anytime you have dew point numbers in the 50s, it's pretty comfortable, especially in the summertime. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, it's 82, making up to a high of 85 there at the airport today. Dew points will start to creep up as we go through the overnight and into tomorrow. Regional numbers, you see lots of mid to upper 80s across the region. And as we take a look at the dew point again, that's a better measure of how much moisture is in the atmosphere. So numbers in the 50s, that's pretty comfortable. Those numbers climbing through the 60s means more moisture, and those more moist numbers, that moist air will continue to work in our direction, so it will become more humid. Tonight for fireworks displays, a lot of activity will begin after 9-10 o'clock. Temperatures will continue to edge down through the 70s. Sunsets this evening at 8:40, so it should be good for all of that. Temperatures overnight pretty much in the mid to upper 60s area wide. Very thankful that today for a holiday we had quiet weather. Tomorrow that will not be the case. First of all, it'll be hot. It'll be a lot more humid. Most of us will top out in the upper 80s, even some low 90s here across central Virginia. But we do run the risk of strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. A slight risk is highlighted across much of the Commonwealth. That's 2 on the scale of 1 to 5 for severe weather. The main threat's going to be damaging wind gusts, some spotty large hail, and while low but not 0, potential for an isolated tornado. That would be tomorrow afternoon. Looking at a time frame right now, maybe 3 to about 7 o'clock. We'll continue to monitor that. So we've got an active day here for Tuesday. Could still be active with storms on Wednesday. Wednesday looks to be the hottest day of the week, and then temperatures will begin to back down, even though it'll remain humid, with more storm chances through the end of the week, and right now taking us into the start of the weekend. Things are pretty quiet now. We have a frontal boundary that's off to our south and west, and a more potent storm that's up across portions of the northern plain states. You can see some severe weather back through Illinois at this hour. We'll be watching for any activity that develops up here tomorrow, because likely by the afternoon it'll be working as a larger thunderstorm cluster in our direction off to the south and east around a big ridge of high pressure that's out west, and that's where really the hot temperatures are. So thunderstorm complexes may work in our direction tomorrow afternoon and early evening. Here's the model depiction in the morning. We'll start with partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 60s, a lot more humid, and then we'll look for activity through West Virginia around the noontime hour. Look what happens as we get close to 3-4 o'clock. Yeah, it's going to cross over, and so there we are, real active with some of those storms, and then the storms will slide through, have a quiet overnight, and then Wednesday we could actually do it again with another complex of storms that comes through during the afternoon and evening. Temperatures on Wednesday in the low and mid 90s. So we had a nice quiet day today for the holiday with all the activities. Great news. Tomorrow and Wednesday a lot more active. In the 60s tonight, mostly clear and seasonable. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Hot, more humid. Daily storm chances will take us through the rest of this week. Again, Wednesday will be the hottest day, but both tomorrow and Wednesday during those afternoon and evening hours remain weather aware.
All right, Eric, thank you. Happy 4th. We'll be right back.